ukiwa mtu wa serikali, mara mingi watu ambao hawako serikali alafu hii elane lo arai koran ani ko nyane ko nyare nakalo paeke nakalo kinjake ni puturi tukona mitiwa pa sheria
na shida kwa sababu hii kosa kuelewana. So tuongee tujadiliane kabisa. Tusajili mashamba yetu to protect. That is 70% of our country, 24 counties. The presided 24 is on community land. So really the meeting today was convened by the county government of Turkana, and the intention is to begin the process of sensitizing our communities in order for them to appreciate what it takes for us to be able to document their rights. As you know, about 70% of the landmass of Kenya is community land. Most of it is not registered, so registration of these lands is quite urgent, and we have started that process. So far we've registered only 14 community lands. You can see we have a long journey still to travel. We hope to be able to cover that 70% by the end of 2024, but we cannot do it without the participation of our county governments and all our stakeholders. So that's really why we are here. The process of sensitizing our communities about their rights and the process of claiming those rights. Since the law came into force in 2016, it's only now that we started the process of implementation in 2019. If you have read the law itself, it details what should happen. And the process of sensitizing the communities is the most difficult part, because you have to first of all sensitize them to know what is a community, who is a community, who qualifies to form part of a community. And then you sensitize them about the structures that they require to put in place, the land management committees, for them to start claiming these rights to this land. So the issues are diverse. In some places we are still haggling with the communities in order for them to recognize the communities, in order for them to register their communities, in order for them to involve all the members of whichever community that it is. Our concern right now is to document those rights. The process will be laborious because we have to engage communities. As you can imagine, this is the first time we're implementing this law. Some of the things in the law are difficult for our communities to appreciate, and that is why we are doing the process of sensitization.
Msemaji mwelekeze atuelekeze mpaka tumalize. Akimeki mtokumwa alafu sasa ama ziwali akachanga. Sawa, akachanga maswali. Haya, sawa. Ule kiperi ngone. Kiperi ngone. Haya, sawa. Naomba tu kwa heshima. Kwa hivyo tuendelee. So, hapa comment muna.
Sitaki kupeana inajazo sahihi. Twende tupate chai. Lakini kabla hapo tutakubali.
Yes, Lance has told you that we have begun the process. And today, the county attorney was unpacking, was taking the community, the Turkana people through the law and unpacking whatever is in the law in the Turkana language. So we have not yet reached that part where the people will decide, considering that this is the first meeting. There will be other meetings in the sub-counties and in the wards, where we will engage them, the masses directly.
The take-home message is that community land is vested in the community. There is an elaborate legal framework provided for under the Constitution, Article 63, the Community Lands Act, and the regulations that were promulgated by the minister in charge, and that we have begun the process in partnership with the national government to sensitize, to unpack the laws as they are, the regulations and all the details, including the processes involved. And this will make our communities comfortable once they understand the law. Instead of arguing or working from a point of ignorance, they'll be working and moving forward from a point of knowledge and information. And therefore, whatever decisions that will have to be taken, they know who is responsible for what, and then we will move forward with that. And with the support of the national government, Ministry of Lands, the support from the county government, and all this knowledge that we're imparting to our various communities, I think they'll be in a better position to make decisions and for us to move forward with the land adjudication, registration and adjudication.